Good afternoon. For you guys that want to know, this is a 79 Corvette, can-do guy here. We're going to replace the front passenger or right side brake caliper. We already have it off. And we have here is the old one, and this is the new one. I've already transferred my brakes over, and what I've seen online from another fellow is he took heater hose, cut them, and used two of them. Put one on this side, one on this side. You insert them down like that, and that will keep your brake pads apart far enough for you to be able to get your pads over your disc. Okay? I've seen a lot of guys complaining they didn't know how this would work or how they could get them spread apart. Well, this is what I found. So, hope this works for you. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.